This is HTC U11 Life, and today I would like to show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity problems on this device. So, if you're experiencing troubles with receiving any incoming phone calls, or any and all incoming phone calls, I recommend that you start with checking if your system is in the airplane mode, or you might as well want to check if your system is in the do not disturb mode. So let's start with the flight mode. So go into settings, network and internet, and make sure to switch off the airplane mode. Then you can open the control panel and turn off the D&D from here, or from settings as well, that's up to you. If that didn't help, you might want to do maybe an apparent step, but still an effective troubleshooting method nonetheless, which is rebooting your phone. So hold the side power button for about a second, and here tap at restart. What you might also want to do is to reinsert a SIM card. So take the injection tool, put it into the SIM card tray hole on the phone's frame, then push it inside. Once the SIM card slot has popped right out, take it out of the phone and reinsert the SIM card, maybe change the slot that it's in. Here, just wipe it if necessary. You can take some cloth and ethanol or alcohol, anything that is any cleaning solution or liquid that is electronics friendly. Just make sure to check that. You can wipe the contact part of your SIM card, which is this one. Just overall making sure that the physical aspect of your SIM card is all clean and, well, nothing stands in its way. So once you have reinserted the SIM card, you can put the tray back into your phone. And well, as far as this video goes, that will be pretty much it. That will be about everything that I wanted to cover today. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.